Hi, welcome to CAC tutorial. The channel name is CAC tutorial. My name is P. Ramarajan. Actually, what is the aim of this channel? It makes you learn in a simple way of all the subjects under the computer science department. Actually, it will be very useful during your exam time. Why? Because here we are going to see with a very simple explanation and with simple examples of all the subjects under the computer science department. Those who are studying BSc Computer Science, BSc IT, PCA or MCA, BE or BTech, ME or MTech, it will be helpful during your exam time. Why? Because here we are going to see all the topics with a simple examples and a simple explanation. Okay, in this channel every week I upload 4 videos, 2 videos for basic concepts and TNPC as well as other competitive exams related computer science questions. That video will be uploaded in every Monday and Thursday. That video will be explained in Tamil, and 2 more videos will be uploaded every Wednesday and Saturday. That video will be explained in simple English. That video will be academic oriented subjects. As I said already, all the academic oriented subjects under the computer science department, here we are going to see with a very simple explanation and with the simple examples. So for that, just we started with the subject on operating system. So last class we have seen what is meant by process and what are the different process. Otherwise we can say that what is meant by process and what are the different state of process we have. Actually we have 5 different state of process. Last class we have seen. Those who did not watch that video, under description section just I put the link, just you go to that link and watch that video. If you have any doubt, just comment me. So in this class we are going to see another very important topic, process control block. Sometimes they may ask in 8 mark question. So this is a very important 8 mark question in our operating system. So process control block, that means PCB. This process control block is otherwise called as task control block, TCB. So both are same, process control block and task control block, both are same. So here I list out some important and some common parameters of process control block. So in this class we are going to see each and every parameter with brief explanation. So first one is process state, second one is process number, and third one is program counter, and fourth one is registers, fifth one is memory limits, the sixth one is list of open files, and etc. So here I list out some important common parameters of process control block. So each process represented in operating system by PCB or TCB. So as I said already, in our computer system we have several processes. So each and every process should be represented in our operating system by using process control block and task control block. Both are same, process control block or task control block. So first we are going to see process state. This is a very important first parameter, that means process state. So we have seen we have 5 different state of process. So each and every process may be in a particular state. That state may be new, running, ready, waiting, and halted. So these are all the 5 important state of each and every process. So whenever if you take process, that process may be in any one of these 5 different state. So second one is program counter. So I hope all of you know what is the use of program counter. Actually program counter contains address of the next instructions to be executed. That is the use of program counter. So address of next instruction. So program counter contains the address of next instructions to be executed. And another parameter, third one is CPU registers. So in this process control block, just we are using some common registers, that is called CPU registers. So what are all those registers? Just we are going to see now. That is accumulator, second one is index register, and third one is stack pointers, and fourth one is general purpose registers. So in our future class we are going to see each and every registers with the brief explanation. So now it's enough to know what are all the CPU registers we have in process control block. First one is accumulator, second one is index register, and third one is stack pointers, and fourth one is general purpose registers. And fourth parameter is CPU scheduling information. So scheduling, so why we have to schedule the information actually here we must know why we have to scheduling. So what is the use of scheduling? Actually we have several processes at a same time, so it should give the priority of which process should be executed first and which process should be executed next. So likewise it has to give the priority of each and every process. So here what are the parameters we have? Includes process priority. So as I said already, we have to give the priority for each and every process. It should decide which process will be executed first. So next pointers to scheduling queues. We have some queues. So queues means here we have several processes. So each and every process, for each and every process we should give the priority. Which process should be executed first and which process should be executed next, likewise. So for that we are using the parameter, very important one is CPU scheduling information. So next parameter is memory management information. Here we have to manage the memory by using value of base and limit register. So actually here we are using two registers, base register, first one is base register, second one is limit register, and page tables and segment tables. So these are all the very important parameters under the memory management information. What are those? It includes value of base and limit register, as well as page tables and segment tables. So in our future class we will see what is meant by paging and what is meant by segmentation. So all those things we are going to see with simple examples in our future class. So now it's enough to know what are all the parameters we have under the memory management information. So next one is accounting information. So what are all the accounting informations we have in our process control block? Includes amount of CPU and real time used. So how much time it will be used at a real time, that information will be included in your accounting information. Includes amount of CPU and real time used. Second one is time limits. So how much time it will be used. So time limits and account numbers. So we have several account here. So each and every account should be indicated by using numbers. So account numbers and process numbers. So already I told we have several processes, so we should indicate each and every process by using numbers. So these are the important parameters in our accounting information. And last one is input output status information. This is a very important thing, IO device, otherwise we can say that IO status information. So it includes list of input output devices allocated to the process. So we have allocate each and every input output device for corresponding process. So it says list of input output devices allocated to the process and list of open files. So each and every process has some input output device priority. So likewise it has to do here, allocated here. Each and every input output device is allocated to the corresponding process, as well as list of open files. So this is the simplest example of process control block. If you have any doubt regarding process control block, you comment me. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me. If you like this video, just share and subscribe this channel. So we will meet in next class. We will meet in next class with another topic. Until that, bye.